Hello there everyone and welcome to Solihull Railway Station. And to kick things off, we see the departure of 172, 102 and 172, 332, departing 6 minutes late with the 11:39 West Midlands Railway service from Worcester Forgard Street through to Dorwich.
Wanted to be 345, but it isn't.
Passing through next across country is 220 to 020, working 1 Victor 85 from Newcastle through to Reading. I'm just gonna let this clip speak for itself. Next flight through the station 15 minutes early is 66768, working 4M32 from Southampton Western Docks through to Hams Hall. Arriving next into the station is 172-221 and 172-103 with 1209 West Midlands Railway service and Worcester Shrub Hill through to Stratford-upon-Avon.
Okay.
Next to depart from the station is 172-332 and 172-102 with 1211 West Midlands Railway service from Dorwich through to Worcester Forgard Street. Arriving next into the station is 168002 with the 1223 Chiltern Railway service from Birmingham Snow Hill through to London Marylebone.
Well, I'll teach you for slandering MOTs then, won't it, sir?
No, it won't.
Next departure from the station is 165027, working the 1234 Chiltern Railway service from Leamington Spa through to Birmingham Moor Street. And to take us on to our next station, here comes 172-335, working the 1239 West Midlands Railway service and Worcester Falkirk Street through to Dorwich. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the 2 videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video, folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then, folks.